This is Dr. Ragini from Jata Fertility Center, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. Are you planning for the pregnancy? Are you willing to accept a newcomer to the family? Then here are the few tests that you need to know before you are planning for pregnancy. That is preconceptional testing. That is for both male and the female partner. Let's discuss what are the important preconceptional tests for the woman to be checked. First will be total complete blood picture. In this, we will look importantly at how is the hemoglobin percentage, which should normally be between 12 to 14 gram %. If this is normal, then the chances of getting pregnancy would be better because the blood flows to the egg, to the embryo and to the endometrium will be all good. So definitely the chances would be better. So the first test for the testing would be complete blood picture. Second is the blood group typing of the woman. We have to check whether it is a positive blood group or a negative blood group. If the female's blood group is negative, definitely the husband's blood group is also checked. Because if there is a mismatch between the blood group of the wife and husband, there will be a chance of fetal incompatibility. Then the mother had to be taken with some anti-D immunoglobulins during the pregnancy or after pregnancy if the fetus is turned to be positive blood group. Third is thyroid function test. That includes T3, T4 and TSH. This is very important for normal ovulatory pattern and also for the fetal development. So normal values should be anywhere between 1.5 in pregnancy between 1.5 to 3.5 is estimated thyroid. In case if the TSH is very low, we need to correct it, or if it is too high also needs correction. The fourth important thing in a female is AMH. AMH is anti-Mullerian hormone. This will to certain extent will let us know the chances of pregnancy of natural versus whether she need to postpone the pregnancy. If the AMH value is anywhere between 1 to 3.5, then she can safely plan natural ways of getting into pregnancy. If it is below 1 or between above 3.5, she need to consult the fertility specialist once. And the important next hormone is certain viral markers that need to be checked for both partners, because to check if there is any infective status where there is a risk of transmitting to the fetus. Male partner, importantly we need to check is normally a semen parameters. Semen parameters, what are the checkpoints that they need to do? They should not have an alcohol or smoking intake during the process of giving the semen analysis, and also there should be at least 3 days of abstinence before the semen test is given. If the total count is more than 15 million, total motility of more than 40%, then the chances of getting pregnancy naturally is higher. Second important test is blood test, that is FSH, total testosterone and prolactin. These are the hormonal tests that we do for the males to check how is the hormone parameters. If the testosterone levels is too low, then also we need to correct it so that the motility and the morphology is improved. And common to both is definitely the blood group, as I've told you, if there is any blood group change. So these are the important preconceptional tests that we need to be tested. And what are certain medication that we advise for the both women and men? First, preconceptionally for all the women, it's better she have a folic acid supplement during the planning of pregnancy and 3 months prior to the planning of pregnancy. Whereas in males, it's always better to have certain amount of antioxidants which will help them to have a better progressive and functional sperms. To know more, do visit us. Thank you.